in Pennsylvania between mile markers 344 and 351. Interstate 76 in... The following is a high wind warning from the National Weather Service for the following county: Cecil, Maryland. What? Northwest winds 20 to 35 miles per hour with gusts up to 60 miles per hour expected. Where? Portions of northern and central Maryland, the Baltimore metropolitan area, portions of the eastern West Virginia Panhandle, and western Loudoun County in northern Virginia. When? From noon Friday to 2 a.m. Saturday. The strongest winds are most likely late Friday afternoon through Friday evening. Impacts: damaging winds will blow down trees and power lines. Widespread power outages are expected. Travel will be difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. People should avoid being outside in forested areas and around trees and branches. If possible, remain in the lower levels of your home during the windstorm and avoid windows. Use caution if you must drive. The current time is 8:20 p.m. Eastern Daylight